Hi, my name is AJ Gerard from StrobeAdvice. Today, I will demonstrate how to replace a halogen bulb in an IONNIC 400 series or ECCO 5800 series halogen rotating beacon. The first thing to do is remove the outer dome. There, you will see the reflector assembly with the halogen bulb. So, the first thing to do is remove the bulb clip, a small metal piece that holds the bulb onto the reflector assembly. It's quite a tricky job, so you'll need a little bit of patience. You may need to use a pair of scissors or another kind of object to remove the lens clip. It's okay to use it, just make sure that you don't scratch the reflector assembly in doing so. You will need to make sure that the lens clip is not blocked by this little plastic circle that's behind the reflector assembly, because that can stop it from coming out. So you've got to... I think I'm actually pushing it back in here. That little plastic thing's stopping it, so keep going. And if for some reason this bulb clip breaks, ECCO and IONNIC do offer it as a spare part. So if it breaks, it's not the end of the world. There we go. Let's get that off, and as you'll see, the bulb is immediately loose. Pull that off. That's the little clip. Now the bulb is loose, so just give it a little tug and you will see that it is connected to a bulb terminal at the bottom of the reflector. So in order to replace the bulb, you will need to separate it from the terminal. So if we pull that up, there's the little terminal. Then you just hands in, and easy as that, bulb's out. So as this beacon does not need a new bulb, we will go ahead and put the same bulb back in. So it's simple as just pushing the little metal plate into the terminal and trying not to lose it at the same time. It's quite difficult, so just hold it there, and this actually doesn't come far out, so it's quite difficult. And if you've got the reflector there, it's actually quite hard. So if I turn it around so that it's much easier to get to, reflector around, there we go. So that's connected to a red wire, which will then eventually be connected to the cigarette lighter plug. So here we go, and now if we just line that up. When I put the bulb in, when I bought this light, it was actually quite difficult, so you will need a bit of pressure, but it seems to have gone in quite easily now. So then you slide that back in, it'll actually sort of lock into place, and then you grab your bulb clip. It's actually got a special way to go, so that I've put it in the wrong way. You'll see that this metal cut here actually lines up with a metal cut there. So you put it in this way, and they ask you not to touch this, but if you touch it, you can just polish it up with like a microfiber cloth, the same for the reflector. So it clips in there, and then this little clip goes over it like that. And then like that. Then all you've got to do is replace the amber dome, and that is how you replace a globe in an IONNIC 400 series or ECCO 5800 series low profile halogen rotating beacon. Thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and check us out on our new Flickr page at StrobeAdvice. And we will see you in our next video in the not too distant future.